Musical instruments do not generally appear as the attributes or symbols of the Buddhas, Bodhisattvas, or major Buddhist deities. Occasionally, however, an esoteric deity such as Sarasvati is shown holding an instrument that signifies her role as a goddess of music and learning. Most Buddhist musical instruments were adopted by the esoteric schools of Tibet, Nepal, and Japan, and are used in rituals. Trumpets, horns, and conch shells have long been blown to dispel evil and to represent the sound of the Buddhist law. While rare, there is one statuette of Avalokiteshvara from Java, which is now in the British Museum, that shows the Bodhisattva holding a conch. Additionally, conches are depicted on the outsides of Buddhist temples in central Java. The conch is one of the 8 auspicious symbols of Buddhism and has long been used in India and the Himalayas to call together a congregation. Its sound represents the spreading of the law by the Buddha. In Tibet and Nepal, many conch shells are decorated with metalwork and inlaid precious jewels. Another musical instrument, often used in Buddhist rituals, is the bell. It symbolizes the sound or the vibrations generated by the repetition of mantras. Bells and vajras often appear together, representing the female and male aspects of the universe respectively. In Tibetan Buddhist rituals, the priest or lama holds a vajra in his right hand and the bell in his left, and unifies them by crossing his arms over his chest to represent the enlightened mind. In some cases, the bell and vajra are united in a single object, or vajraganta, in which the handle of the bell is a vajra. This form represents the union of wisdom, which is female, and compassion, which is male. Finally, we have the drum, along with various cymbals and gongs, which are used in esoteric Buddhist rituals. In Tibet, the use of the drum in Buddhist rituals probably originates in the ecstatic music of older shamanistic rituals, which help to transport shamans to the realm of the spirits. The most common form of drum are those made of wood or even human skulls. Some small, double-sided drums have a weight attached to a cord, and by flicking the wrist, the user can alternately strike both sides of the drum. This wooden drum is from Japan and is now in a collection in Stockholm, Sweden. Inside the drum is a depiction of a standing figure, flanked by 2 others.